The upcoming Snapdragon Tech Summit has a date that Qualcomm has announced. The business always debuts its flagship smartphone chipset at this occasion. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 CPU, which will power the majority of high-end smartphones in 2024, is anticipated to be introduced during the Snapdragon Tech Summit 2023 event. On October 24 in Maui, Hawaii, the Qualcomm Snapdragon Tech Summit 2023 will take place. The tournament will end on October 26, 2023. It is anticipated that certain Galaxy S24, S24 Plus, and S24 Ultra devices would launch early in 2019 using the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, which will be introduced at this event. Previous reports indicate that the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 is manufactured using the 4nm and 4P technology developed by TSMC, which represents a small improvement over the 4nm and 4 manufacturing process used for the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2. The chipset will include two Cortex at520 CPU cores, one Cortex X4 CPU Core 5, and one Cortex at 720 CPU cores. According to reports, the Adreno 750 GPU will be much quicker than the Adreno 740 GPU seen in the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2. According to a number of sources, the Xiaomi 14 will be the first device to use the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor. According to rumors, Samsung is reintroducing Exynos chips to the Galaxy S24 series. As a result, certain nations will get Galaxy S24 models with Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processors while others will receive models with Exynos 2400 processors. It would be interesting to see how the Exynos 2400 stacks up against the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. With the Galaxy S24 Ultra, Samsung is introducing a significant camera update. For further details, see the earlier S24 Ultra video. This finishes today's video. I really hope you found the material beneficial. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.